My life is an absolute disaster. So today's gonna be a really big reset day. I made a list. We're gonna unpack and put away all my stuff. We're gonna do laundry. We're gonna open some packages, things I ordered and paid for with my own money. I know. Crazy. We're gonna go through my goals for the next 90 days. And then last but not least, we're gonna get to work, we're gonna get to editing. A lot has happened since we last talked. I turned 27. Found a who I am, I know why I'm here. Let's say hi. My family spent an entire week in Tulum and John got to come with us because I'm a married woman. Also, I got a haircut. I asked the lady to give me some layers, add some volume. I said, please, 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 don't cut everything off. Guess what she did? First order of business.
Wait for me. Keep watching you when you leave. Something new. Keep hoping you feel.
I'm gonna do a little special treatment for the white clothes to remove the stains and make them clean and sparkle and beautiful again.
I can get to know you better living. It's sweet suburbia. Some fun is all we want.
I put laundry detergent, baking soda, vinegar, and then put the setting on hot water. I just let that sit for a while and the stains should all come off. It should all be sparkling clean. I don't use bleach anymore. It is something that is banned for my household. Just vinegar and baking soda anytime I need things to be cleaner, brighter, and whiter. Everything looks good again. We have all these hangers ready for the clean clothes once I'm done washing them.
Try to get some money for some stuff that I need. Swear the ATM machine was trying to be your girl. Been running on empty, but I don't let it affect me. There are days that I can say I'm leaving back home, but every day I do, my gut keeps telling me no. Your girl, living on my dreams. I'm a brain dead. I don't need your doubt. No, I don't need your doubt. Hey, just chill. I got all the time to kill. Yeah, I got good vibes. Good vibes.
It's officially time to open some fun packages. I purchased absolutely everything. Before we do, I'm gonna set the mood. Let's make it cute and cozy and fun in here. If you watched the video where I planned a surprise date night for John, then you've seen these before. These are my incense and apparently they cause cancers. It's like fun energy, but I have so many of them and I can't let them go to waste and they smell so good. Take a whiff.
Traffic go through the streets. Your girl, staying pretty busy. Learning how to city. Life is way too short to get caught up in the mess. All I wanna do is get drunk on happiness. Your girl.
This is my mom's birthday gift. By the time she sees this video, it'll be way past her birthday. So I have to open it first to make sure it's right and it's what she wants. When I got married, I actually gave my mom a matching ring. I've had this one for a very long time. I got it from an Etsy shop and it's been amazing. I can link it down below for you. It's like 13 bucks and it's a gold filled ring. It looks perfect and beautiful just like the day I bought it, but I really wanted to give her an upgrade. So I'm so excited and nervous to see what it actually looks like. it's a 14 karat gold ring and it has 4 little tiny diamonds and I love it. So I'm gonna put it in here and I'm so glad that I opened it because the note didn't actually come in here. It came with the receipt and it's here now. So I'm like, I don't know what to do. It's a sticker. So I think I'm gonna stick it on here. I've been waiting over a week to get this and it's all my skincare. I have only purchased from this brand one other time and I really did like it, but I don't have any visible acne. You know, it's kind of hard to tell if something's working or not. I did get this one again. It's an MILC Whip. This is what it looks like. I really like it, so I'm gonna see if I like it again. I also got the vitamin C cream cleanser. And then I also got the relaxing night cream. I'm really excited to try this one because I do moisturize in the morning and night. And then for John, I got this set and it's so pretty. It kind of looks like a little gift. The anti-breakout set because we do have different skin types. He also got the vitamin C cleanser, so now we have 2 of those. And he got the Lumizella serum. And then I also got him the oil-free super gel moisturizer. He's actually tried this before and he doesn't know if he likes it or not. He's still like testing it out. I do like to use unscented things on my face. Our skin on our face is too sensitive for scents and fragrances and stuff, so unscented all the way. We're gonna talk about my goals for the next 90 days. And I'm gonna show you what I did to break it all down to make it more achievable and easy to remember, honestly, because I always think of my goals and then I like forget about them. This is really, really personal right now because I'm about to show you my goals and everything I've been doing and you can see how much I've been slacking on some of them. I made this on an Excel sheet and I just printed out, these are my daily goals, things that I want to achieve every day. These 3 sections are exactly the same. I just wanted to put it all in one page. I then taped this to my desk. If I don't put it on my desk where I can see it every single day where I live, then it's not gonna get done. But I used to keep all my goals in here. And guess what? I never flipped to this page. I only flipped to whatever day I'm working on. So here I have 1 through 90, okay? One for every single day. But here, this is just the best visual way to see like, wow, I'm really, really not good at this one, or I really struggle with this one. And honestly, instead of beating myself down, I'm kind of like, okay, well, I clearly don't like to do certain things. There's things that don't come naturally to me, and for next time in the next 90 days, I can either choose to skip over that goal and just tell myself, okay, it's not for you. It is not something you enjoy doing. It's not something that's gonna work in your lifestyle, or it's something that I can work towards if I really, really, really want it. So I'm gonna plan this out for the day and I'm just gonna get to work. I have a lot of editing to do on the computer. If you've watched my other videos, then you recognize these moms, okay, honey? They are still alive. I have changed the water one time and that was about a week ago, but these mums are 3 weeks old and I got them from Trader Joe's. So Trader Joe's, you pulled through. I love you. Thank you for this gift. I spent some time working and I'm gonna take a little break, have a snack, and probably go on a walk with Kennedy because it is freaking freezing outside. But if I don't get outside, then I'm not gonna meet any of my goals basically. So I hope that you had an amazing day and that maybe you also took some time to reset and unpack or clean or get ready for the week and come up with goals that you wanna meet by the end of the year, because it's important, okay? You don't wanna let your goals go to waste and your dreams. And it's important to not just say what you want to achieve, but how you're gonna get there, okay? That is number one. And that you keep track of what you're doing and what you did accomplish, because it's so easy to think like, oh no, I never work out, I never do this, I never do that. And then you look at the visual proof of things that you have achieved. I hope you have an amazing day and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend. Bye.